Hi guys. Let's start making money with Pinterest. The advantage of Pinterest, created in 2010, is that it is a multifunctional platform combining the functions of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and eBay. You can share your content with subscribers and work through the offers launched daily. You can also use Twitter as if you were using the Twitter platform. The last important feature is the possibility of selling without resorting to funded advertising. It is therefore necessary to register via the link, Pinterest. Pinterest is a favorite of women. So, how to use it to make money? Why Pinterest? More than 20% of users prefer Pinterest well before Twitter and Instagram. 70% of women. A suggestion posted on Pinterest brings back more buyers than any other social network. Most Pinterest images are shared. According to studies done on the behavior of Pinterest users, they go through 4 stages. 1. Watch and do research. 2. Inspire. 3. Refine your choice. 4. Decide. You should know that images with dominant colors are more shared. Faceless images are preferred over images with a face. Prefer a light background and colors like red, orange and brown. Choose a saturation of 50%. The optimal size of the image, up to 1200 pixels and in a vertical direction. Factors for having more followers on Pinterest. The number of your images. The number of your albums. The number of people followed. The most popular categories on Pinterest. Women at 56% focus on 5 categories: food and drink, crafts, home decor and clothing. Men are 40% concentrated in the 5 main categories, which may include design, art, photography and cinema. In the top 10, decoration and DIY, clothes, wedding and children. When can we publish our images on Pinterest? Between 14 hours and 16 hours and between 20 hours and 1 hour in the morning. Pinterest allows you to take photos with your phone and display pinned items on the site. This should result in an increase of new users on the platform. If you have a physical product or action, Pinterest is the answer. You're absolutely right to show your products in Pinterest, where people are looking for good ideas. Earn more by becoming an affiliate. You can use your custom link to bring new users to your site and get paid with this affiliate link on Pinterest. By putting the style and images of your site on Pinterest, there is something that attracts users looking to see more on your site, so more visibility. Everything is in the list. It is true. If you want to build a mailing list for an emailing to inform your prospects of your news, Pinterest is a good thing to attract your potential customers. If you have a service, make yourself known with your roommate, motivations to make you want to appeal to you. As you go along, your market analysis will inform you more about the trends and needs of your customers, which will lead them to buy your product. That's all for today. See you in another video.